Hi friends! Okay, this is going to be the Chapter 16 review. This one is very simple. It may look complicated, I promise it's not, okay? The directions say, follow the directions to compose or create another shape. Write the name of the new shape. They want us to draw a triangle above the trapezoid. We can draw a triangle. Let's make our triangle go right there. And what is the new shape called? It has 3 sides. It's a triangle. Good. It's one big triangle. Okay. Now they're asking us to draw a square below the triangle. Okay, I can draw a square. Cool. What is this new shape called? What is this new shape called? Let's look at how many sides it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's a 5-sided shape called? 5-sided shape. A pentagon. Good. Pentagon. Pentagon. Okay, draw the shape. Draw a dot on each corner, and write the name of the shape. So we need our dot or our shape to have 6 sides. Okay, I'm going to start out drawing a line right like that. Okay. Then I'm going to put 2 little lines here. You know where I'm going with this? I'm going to make 2 trapezoids, one on top of the other. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. What's the name of a 6-sided shape? It's not pentagon because that's 5 sides, but a 6-sided shape starts with an H. Is a hexagon. A hexagon. Now, what shape has 0 sides? What shape has 0 sides? A circle. Good, a circle. A circle has no flat sides. That's a tricky one. They're trying to mess you up. Okay? Draw one line to decompose or to take apart the shape into 2 other shapes. Okay? They want us to draw one line so we can split this square into 2 triangles. If I draw my line down the center, is that going to give me 2 triangles? No. What about over here? Nah. What if I did my, if I draw my line diagonally, it gives me 2 triangles. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, for number 6, where do I draw my line that will give me 2 trapezoids? Remember, a trapezoid looks like that. Can I draw it up and down? No. What about this way? If I draw my line this way, I have 2 trapezoids. Awesome. Ooh, this one wants 2 pentagons, and pentagons have 5 sides. So if I draw a line that way, it's not going to work. But if I draw my line up and down, then I will have 2 5-sided shapes, 2 pentagons. Good. Write the name of the shape and write the number of squares used to make it. So, what shape is this? I have 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and they're both parallel. It's a rectangle. Good. And let's count how many squares we used to make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So it takes 8 squares. 8 squares. What's this shape right here? A square. Good. S-Q-U-A-R-E. And how many little squares does it take to make up the big square? 4. Excellent. What's this one? Tricky. It's another rectangle. They gotcha. And how many squares did they use to make it up? 3 squares. Good. 3 squares. Okay, I'm going to flip it over onto the back now, okay? If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause. Mark each kind of surface the solid figure has. Okay. This is a cone. Remember, if I put it sideways like this, that's what it looks like. Does this cone have a flat surface? Yeah, the flat surface is right there. Does it also have a curved surface? Yes, because the curved surface is right here. So you can pick more than one of these answers if you need to, okay? Does this cylinder have a flat surface? Yeah, right there. So yes, it has a flat surface. Does it have a curved surface? Yeah, this right here is curved. So we bubble in both of those. Does this sphere have a flat surface anywhere? No, but it does have a curved surface, right? Okay. Does this cube have a flat surface? Yeah, it's got a lot of flat surfaces, huh? Does it have a curved surface? Could it roll down a hill? No. What about this rectangular prism? Does this have a flat surface? Yeah, it's got quite a few. But if you put this on the driveway, does it have a curved surface? Could it roll by itself? No. Let's look at this triangular prism. Okay. Do I see a flat surface? Definitely. Do I see a curved surface? No, not on that one. The directions tell you to circle each shape that matches a face of the solid figure. Remember, the face is what's on top. What's on top or on bottom, okay? What face would a rectangular prism have if you looked at any one side of it? If I looked at this side right here, I would see a square. But if I looked at this side right here, I would see a rectangle. That's what they're asking. If you turn that shape multiple ways, are you going to see this shape? Okay. What about my cube? What about my cube? If I turn my cube to the side, what am I going to see? Am I going to see a circle? No. Am I going to see a rectangle? No. I'm going to see a bunch of squares, because no matter which way I turn that cube, it's always going to be a square. What am I going to see with that cone? If I turn that cone a bunch of different ways, am I going to see a green rectangle? No. Am I going to see a square? No. Am I going to see a circle, though? Yes, if I looked at the bottom right here, I would see a circle. So that's what they mean. If you turn that shape all different ways, can you see a flat surface that makes that shape? Match the name to the prism. This is a what? It's a square. It's a 3D square, so it's a square prism. What about this one? It's a triangular prism. Good. And then this one is a rectangular prism. Okay? Very nice. Very, very, very nice. I'm very proud of you guys. You're going to do great.